recognized very early on that in our business, which is cloud service provider, where we're hosting customers' data, applications, and email that are critical to their business, that they really depend on us to make sure that their day-to-day operation is working properly. The biggest influence and motivator for me is to make sure as a company, NIRIX is offering great top-notch customer service. When we originally designed CustomerCare version 2, the primary focus then was to make sure at least we deliver standardized, consistent service, and that we can communicate clearly to our customers, and that our customers could clearly understand what is it that we are providing support and what is it that we are not providing support. CustomerCare version 3 is really about retaining customers, making sure our customers are happy. So it's that. So a lot of that came from existing customers, getting feedback, what works, what's not working. Month to month, it would be averaging anywhere from 600 to 800 tickets a month. And so we had a diverse feedback and a diverse information on type of technical support questions that customers would ask us for each of the product lines that we offer. And so we were able to go back over the last 4 years and really look at all the tickets that we've had and kind of see if there are any patterns. We have a lot of customers that host QuickBooks, that we host QuickBooks for, which is very popular for small businesses, for accounting, and it's a critical application. You don't have QuickBooks, business can't do their payroll, right? Previously in version 2 of CustomerCare, if there were any problems with QuickBooks, whether it's printing or it's corrupting data, whatever the case may be, the customer care agent had to inform the customer this is out of scope, and there would be a cost associated with that, and the customers would have to actually pay on the spot before we actually provide the services. And so that introduces more steps before we can actually deliver the actual service. And with customer version 3, because the scope has changed, we're saying third-party application now, NIRIX is able to provide assistance and facilitate the troubleshooting process with third-party vendor. For in this case, will be Intuit, at free of cost. Okay, and so from a customer perspective, that's not a barrier anymore. And they'll say they don't need to go back to their accounting and say, well, can I get approval for this charge? They don't need to do that. So they can go directly into the actual troubleshooting process with the third-party vendors. And so instead of potentially waiting 5 days to get approval for a cost charge, now it's immediate. Today we have 5 core product lines. CustomerCare version 3 is support scope for all 5 product lines. So the biggest one that is going to be some of the biggest changes that we made are going to be around the one desktop product line. And so today, any customers that are on one desktop product line will feel the biggest benefit.